GH.
You obusua. Enem komone de enye tintin bia sa yes neso. Emudo ye pa, emudo pa na. Opanyi bi dinsem bia toya. Say as long as the Ashantis, the economic engine of Ghana, is attacked, there will be no progress in the country. I say me the audio. And well, yeah, but answer so now I'm say 3 days ago, na me be post say Eswatini king oba Ghana no. Be video efa no. Na manfo bebre o comment section when they can say bebre say me bomb me body and me try say I say me ohene no unpopular mpese me che say onye obia na bibisa. But enye sa so na admit no kure wom ene say yewura opem so oye dey oso sene Eswatini hene. Nti wo si adentina me kasa saa me ibu na nimti asese no kure wom ni say yewura eso sene Eswatini hene bebre ma yen ka no kure nche wiase adentina ya mote saa se a obi ka no kure na mudi ho ya say adentina me kasa saa se me andaman ne hwan the whole country Eswatini no me 1 million Asante we na Ashanti region kwan say Asante man kwan say Ashanti region mpo yen ka Asante man ye ka me ka Ashanti region kwan not to talk of Asante man. So what are you saying? Because we're bigger than him. It's like I'm not trying to disrespect him or anything. That's why you people are making it seem say me disrespecting. No. I'm not trying to disrespect Eswatini king. But I'm saying say Yura is bigger than him. So meaning say no about Drew any other. But before I make a video, yentie a history kitua bifa Eswatini yentimra.
There's a country in Africa that doesn't practice democracy.
They have a king instead of a president.
And I can bet using this 1,000 naira that you've never heard the name of this country before because it's small and not really popular. This is Eswatini, a small southern African country with a population of 1.1 million people.
It's the only absolute monarch left in Africa.
Which means that King Mswati III is in control of everything. He picks the prime minister, appoints judges, and even controls parliament. It has 2 capital cities called Mbabane and Lobamba.
And they speak English and Siswati.
English because they were colonized by the British, and Siswati because it's the native language of the Swazi people. The main religion here is Christianity.
But here is something you don't know.
South Africa shapes a lot of this country's economy. They share borders, currency, and workers. In fact, many people from Eswatini still work in South African mines to support their family back home. The currency used in Eswatini is the Swazi Lilanjeni, but the South African rand is also accepted here. So what keeps its economy going? It's mainly agriculture, sugarcane, citrus fruits, and livestock. Eswatini may be small, but it's filled with so many untold stories.
God bless Eswatini!
And if you want to learn more about Africa, then follow me right now. Agadi tomorrow!
So okay ya, population na enye kura so bia. Inteni kwa se mususu muma ne yese aso bi disrespect obi just because me say yeru asosene no am pass asosene bebre ewi asema ahemfo wi asemo why na asosene yeru chrobu o comment section wona mhwe amunya abotre ne se de ya moye nyoma ne se de ya mo cancer enye fine amuma ne looking like say we are trying to disrespect and say bia bisa but entesa no kra ba akope oye dey onu ankasa nim se yeru aso inti nso na enra oba bedru Ghana na enra chi bedru Ghana a one president ehia ma ono ankasa sa bie na no ka se opese ohia anasa okoyewura ho na oni kodi nkomo esan se o ka kire ne se obeba ne na so na bedi nkomo intima
go and visit the Ashanti kingdom to see the king there. I've seen him long time. The last time I saw him was when we were in Great Britain, attending the coronation of His Majesty King Charles. Yeah. So we had a good talk there. So I am certainly looking forward to see him there. He paid me a visit to Eswatini long time, and I also promised him that I will return the visit some stage. And I'm so happy that finally the time has come for us to return that visit, so we can also see him over there. I was listening to you very carefully when you were explaining to me how you are, supporting all the regional programs in this country, that you have certain funds which have made it very much available to each of the regions of this country. I want to congratulate you,
Thank you.
Excellency, for the great work you are doing. And of course, I must congratulate you once again, because not so long ago, your country was going through elections, and people have once again shown confidence in your leadership. Your Excellency, and I am sure that you are going to make the people of Ghana very proud, and the things that you are going to deliver. Ghana has played very important role in many, many forums in the world, where the Kofi Annan, who was once the Secretary General for the whole world in the United Nations, and we were very proud of him, of his work. Of the contribution, special that he contributed.
Yes, so this is how okay in Nyamiadum Obabe Drew. Yeah, Santime Munra. I share video na da menchen ase na share convoy any ade out him say yeah. It was beautiful. Not just out him say and you made na kwemu everything was on point. Yes, just because it is Yura, there will be no mistake. Ti ase assembly partnership so. Na memo bi ntina ba bi nkase. Eno de mo bi nkasa ada. So ebia ye de kan sem dia wa we wan na bisa. No kre. Yura de oso. Na oye na ade a oye ma na ye pepepe. Nyenkyere ho bi na ekyere ho. Na abusuan obabe dru asanteme mo gya ye bompa ye ne ade anything na betwa agubia videos ni ade ekoso wo meeting ne nyina dinners bi ade start from ne sa akopem ye nyame adoma weekend so ye bompa ye se bibia be de ebe kama sa pepepe enetie na me to ansem ne so a opanyin bi di nsem bi atodwa se ye se ye pe Ghana ni ye a na se Ghana no ebe koso pa dia na se asante a eye economic engine no se da bia attack wo Ghana no enko nanim da o se enko nanim da na yenko tie no
Ghana for me church mo da bia mo bia se no misrenya me ma obia odwene Ghana ho adwempa se Ghana eje nkoso misrenya me hira ma obia odwene Ghana ho se Ghana enye nkoso no obi a wonpe Ghana yesu de nyame emma nkoso ma na bra bom o mani pakro ho nkyire no na se omo mpe Ghana yie no se ne yakoban se woni pada sani ana se ya ni pada sani woti wona se wo fie wonnim wa bakosem a wonam hot sa akokwa sense akwa sense ne ya akokwa ibehwane no na enwi bia ne no ho takra bia ne ho na ne bare skin no odi nam na Ghana ye bre nyina ne se youth no anase nipa ne bre ya afa ne wo manyine no wo ma metu kwa mkoma memwo no wo ma hunu se ye bre ne ye ma hu nyina firi amemwo a wo mo de share ase no wo ji independence no na politics ye kan nyina ne trofa eni say kwasi bro ni se na osibu ni man no de be so ye mene ene ka se ekoba se ye ji independence no ya asante for the nanka ye hia independence bia because ni ye de yakui ne ye nya independence in 1935 ne kwa mi kuma beda dan opemso premped second say ye nya independence na ono be president no I prime minister ye nya wie na fi tumi ni bedi nsem no o betray ASANTEHENE ne senka nipa ne bebre nim abakosem sef Ghana no na abakosem nyina gina gokos so ansana kwa mi nkruma de independence no ebaye no ye beto aso e nipa ne bebre nim abakosem ya efa Ghana ho efa gokos ho enti ubusa wo mu adom ni ma oh Kwame Nkrumah na independence ma yen yen heli no okay ya pene so wana gi independence no na wagi independence no mabusa mo se na obu o ma no e ma Ghana sei se na membo no ho mfaso a ye to aso wagi independence no ma the whole world atiase say wagi independence no na ni chine ya na the whole world ehunu say African person na say bibini betime di no so na ye mu say ho African countries na say before no so nyina no ba bia independence no emfaso ben ne nya leaders na freedom be ye what say dictators ne yesen ka omo ye ne disesio ma no ma mfaso nti Kwame Nkrumah ban no wono be ye enyimu na freedom a wono wo se ye nyimfi abrofo no ye nya freedom ni wie na fe de freedom no ma no boy yen na fe antitimu amemo anyansafo ase ye ne bu o ma no wo chichi wo nyina agumu boni aye wo fira brochi aba stake it ni etwa ene man firi brochi ba nso ban no wo mo mbo an man ba nyina no wo chi wo nyina agumu we see people near na wonya adwuma yo we see people near no and enu na NDC for no say no omo penso gise government officials and as a party officials na etimi enya passport to kwan socialism wontimi nko ba bia na say omano wonye party member wonya wori san ehomfa so na mo amonim no de amonim say the same road mahama memu a wo buo no o ka che mo say wayi Ghana kwa nyina no na so onyi no the same thing Kwame Nkrumah yade contrast no ma party official CBB for no wo munyi kwa no ma diska no na so enam so mo ye CBB for no party officials no obi anko entimi kan ma sem nanka sika na Ghana wono nanka betimi achichiri Ghana ama ne Ghana ye kra bahwe nanka Asante force yamfe ye ho ankoba wori san sa independence no nanka ye say ye di eku ye already ne ye di eku dada kanya ne se ne ye sika ye de enkana ne di kosiesie ye kokko ni timber ani gold enne na abrofo no e de chichire o ma no Kwame Nkrumah wetu aso enne ye de chichire o ma no other regions mo musa apart from say na bono ni what saying na a part of Ashanti no other region no say north ne angunafo kromo ne de kankan no monka resource ani enye fidi ho anso ya de ye ne sika na achichire o ma no besi ne ye ne ya be ye what say problem ama o ma no na senka Ghana for ni mabakosem say Gokos time no amam bakosem ana say history no ene abrofo no ko ye contribution a enu nti ma yen yetimi pama abrofo no o mantimi amanya asase na o ma no gina pintin no senko o munim say Ghana sika no na efri asante ene ye de chichire o ma no a enko benya respect ya ma asante for say asante for Ghana nyina so nyina ne asante man na sebi o wa de pa ebo fie ese o bo ho ban won se no Kwame Nkrumah ba ya o pese o sei asante no ya asante so na economic engine ni bibia gina asante so no ya wo se no enko so be ne nya ye nyame na bua ye na yetu nugu ye na mode mumuni mabakwasem no enka ndem si ne ban nka ye president e Ghana kanyan se momuti wa mo kaka o se motutu ayampa MPP ba ye nka bomu amemo musumo ba na mabese no mo ba na mabese no ansusu mo na mo bode wure se MPP fo na ye akromfo koke ni wasemo a eba na kwasi sen abanya wo ba wo no so se ye ntoni koke na ya ban papa say bosum yaso enkola no a wo tuto sanitary pads ma onmo o machima sika ya mutwa kwa no dodo say wo chiche ba ko peyente nkan wo na enye conflict of interest say wo ne oba wo ye boxing promoter wo twes kakase pa amano say on fanko promote boxing enye conflict of interest na Dubai ne ba no ya hwe nso mu de nkontompo etagi wonum so wo no ayesei o ma wiesika amemu papa no anase obi we nyansafo no de de amemu emanu na as long as say Ghana for mo hunu nyansa se mo betie enkroma ho abakosem se ne odigya ye ne na ideology ya wamfa nyansasem bia anya yen ne enu na eho amanuhunu ye hunu election duru ha action troopers enko sabotage na say yenko this intimidate other party members no edu ne we no mo ayoyi rollins baye enu so the same thing obeye ye asante a ekura oman no da bia mo ba mo se mo se no na mo se mo oman na mo se no temoni myansa kan bo mo se from the onset no asante sika ena aso oman aso ne besinde ene ye ni mo problem na obi abatna asante memu na wo nye srem na wo free srem na wantena srem na wo batna asante memu na didi atem no nyame betua wo ka wo anye kura no mo sua ne membe mo ba asante memu mo sua ne membe be se na esi edwade mo sua enti no eye design credit yanka se mo de mayen ane so na nche mo free srem ba na atwatwa mo ani ho ene mo behunu asante culture no ene mo ani mi ntwetwa bio enti ne mo ne yi afra ya ansese mu pua bantina mo fere e kane no anka mo fere enso anye no mo sua bibia firi ho le siemfo nso esika ne rehwe mo enti mo yie bonu aya nya mbetua mo ka wo mbetua mo ka asante de pe nkambo mu enti mo betina ha na mo din kwa asem no asante ho betimi akosi makoesa anase anguna akoesa mumbe you should behave.
Yes, so obusia no so nchechi mu odi bae na wati no odi start fi from Kwame Nkrumah abroad all start attack Asante ema nyoma bibiri nti ohwe from time to time na anytime Asante is being attacked it affects the economic progress so we no cre fa baby no a oka no cre pa and I think say ye bompa say eja nipa besua de no mahu nyoma we bi say hu ade na ye hu de ewom sapepepe na ebusua me kai o say Nyankopon ya aduma this Saturday 28th June ASANTEHENE on Osei Chrome TV. ASANTEHENE on Osei Chrome TV. Baso den. Memenda 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Memfa bomoden se wode afidie ni bede ebeto no amayen. Menyi afidie no emfi ha. Bomoden se wode afidie no ebeto Osei Chrome TV. Na mum afi so subscribe to Nice Ghana because ahaso benya bi ahwe. Me da se o hwe me. Macro.